Hi, Chris here. This video is for making either the front or the back, and I'm going to be using sheet metal. So let's go into sheet metal, and if I right hand click and make a new component, and I'm going to name the component, let's call it front, and with the front radio button selected, I'm going to create a sketch on the front plane. Just pan it down a bit, go to the line, pick on the origin, go up and go to the right, enter, and then dimension, and I know the length of this line, which is vertical. You can see that constraint there. I know this is 177 high, and I want to dimension the length of that, and I'm going to make the flange say 20 mm long. Dimension, and I'll finish the sketch, and then I'll go into flange and I'll select that and I'll drag it out, and I want that to be 300 wide minus 6 mm is 297, 294. And I'm just going to zoom in because, see how it's put it on the outside of the line there? See how the material's on the outside? So that's side 1, so I'm going to change it to side 2. That's good, now it's on the inside, and I'm going to say OK. And I notice in here when I went to sheet metal that it's picked up the 3 mm rule. I'm just a bit worried because of the bend radius that it's chosen mightn't be correct. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into modify sheet metal rules. I'm going to pick on the sheet metal 3, and see that little pen there? I'm going to pick on that, and the bend conditions, it's not the thickness, so I'm going to make that 1 mm. It went on the inside, 1 and 3 is 4 mm, 4 mm, and go save, see if that works. Just zoom in here and do an inspect, measure. I want that to be 4. At the moment it's 7, so I've got the radius bend wrong, so I'll go back to modify sheet metal rules, 3 mm, edit, bend conditions, so instead of 4 I'll go to 1 and say save, and then go close, inspect, measure, because I want this outside radius to be 4, and yes it is 4, so that's alright. And then what I need to do is down the bottom here I need to put a fillet in there, so I come into modify fillet there, and it wants to be 1, but I'm going to put it on 1.5 because I don't want it to be tight. Enter, and because I've done that corner I also need to do the other corner, so I'll orbit that around. Modify fillet, pick on that and do 1.5, enter, and let's have a look at that. That looks pretty good. And of course what I need to do is I need to go to create, modify unfold, and if I pick on this, there it is unfolded, and I can refold, and I also need to create a flat pattern. Okay, so I need to refold and then modify, create a flat pattern. If I pick on that surface and say OK, there's our flat pattern, and of course that's what I want to export as a DXF and cut that out on the plasma.